Hey, what up? It is me, Angey Lee. Welcome back to the campground. Welcome if you're new here. This is another camping video. This is my birthday weekend. Week, whatever it is. It's pretty chilly out now, getting colder, especially at night. It's been gloomy all day, so I made myself some coffee for the thermos and brought myself down to the beach. Let me show you the view here. Brought myself down to the beach so that I could enjoy the view for the evening. It's nice and peaceful, especially, on a cold time during the week. Most of the seasonals have gone home, so there's not very many people left out here. It's really quiet, a little bit creepy, kind of cold, but I'm still enjoying my time, and that's what matters. Still unplugged, yeah, it's been really good. My rosacea since I've been out here is clearing up, so yeah, I'm having a good time, and that's what matters. So yeah, enjoy the pictures as per usual of the campground. I'm going to show this building that I'm sitting in front of. It is basically a hall that they rent out mainly for weddings and stuff like that. They're going to be, renovating it and upgrading it. But this year they didn't bother since they couldn't do anything because of everything that's going on. But I'm excited to see what they do with it, because since these managers came in, like this place used to be a dive, and since these managers come in, they've really been putting a lot of work into making it beautiful, and they're still working on it. So I'm excited to see all the changes that are happening and documenting it all with all the pictures. And I've got to fix my camera because I messed up the focus, and but still got some beautiful pictures. But anyways, I'm going to go and enjoy my time here at the beach, and yeah, enjoy the video. This was my cake and beautiful flowers that my mom brought me for my birthday. I absolutely adore this little car. I think is absolutely adorable. Yellow is my favorite color, and the rose is multicolored and absolutely beautiful. She also brought me some THC chocolate to celebrate my birthday. And of course, my son came out to the campsite with me to celebrate my birthday. Spent a bit of time with him as well. Picture of me taking pictures. This is my mom and her princess. Mom, stepdad, and their princess. And my mom and I. This is a cabin that they have out at the resort, and the windows were open, so I was able to get some pictures of the inside, and it's so cute. Here's the bedroom. And the main room, a little kitchen area, breakfast nook area, and the couch, table, and a loft up top there. This is the building that's beside the cabin, and there are 2 rooms, big, huge spaces inside that building. And of course, I had to do more painting. And these are the finished products of the painting that I did this weekend. Or week, I guess. This is a map of the section that we are in, just the section that we are in. This was an absolutely amazing beet slaw salad and fried cauliflower. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now. Love you.